I'm Alice. Welcome to Korean Ladder, where we make Korean sound doable.
안녕하세요. 저는 하나예요. 코리안 라더에 오신 걸 환영해요.
안녕하세요. 저는 준호입니다. Today we place the tongue tip, so 4 Korean consonants, stay clear.
My question today is very real. Why do data, na, and ro start to blur when I speak faster?
좋은 질문이에요. These four sounds share one neighborhood in your mouth, but they use different air and different movement.
Today's pattern is not a grammar pattern. It is a tongue tip pattern. Put the tongue tip just behind the upper teeth.
혀끝 means tongue tip. 위니, 니 뒤 means behind the upper teeth. In English, think touch the small ridge right behind your top teeth.
So not curled way back like some English R sounds?
Right. For these Korean sounds, the tongue tip stays forward, not tense, not curled deep back.
First sound, 디구, written 디구. The tongue touches, then releases with a small, soft burst. Listen, 다, 다. Keep the tongue tip forward and the air modest.
Second sound, teeing, written teeing. Same place but stronger air. Listen, 타, 타. You should feel more air than with 타.
Third sound, 니은, written 니은. Same tongue place again, but the sound goes through the nose. Listen, 나, 나. Touch the same spot. And let it be nasal. In English, like the beginning of no, but keep it Korean and forward.
Fourth sound, 리을, written 리을. At the start of a syllable, the tongue tip taps quickly. Listen, 라, 라. The tongue touches and leaves quickly. Do not hold it like a long English L, and do not curl it like English R.
Let me try the 4, datanara.
좋아요. Now hear them in real words because pronunciation is easier when the sound has a job.
Listen to 달. It means moon. The first sound is 디구, 디구. 달.
Listen to 탈. It means mask. The first sound is 티잉, 티잉, 티잉 with more air. 탈.
달, 탈. The mouth place is similar, but the air is different.
Now 다리, it means leg or bridge. Listen for the quick 리을 in the middle. 다리.
나라 means country. The first sound is 니은, 니은. In the middle, 리을 tap slightly. 나라.
I hear it now. Dari has digut. Then riel and nara has niun. Then riel.
맞아요. 지구 and 니은 both touch the front, but 지구 releases as a stop, and 니은 keeps the nose sound flowing.
And tig is not just louder tigut. It has a clear puff of air from the same front position.
4, riel. I should not make an American R. I should tap forward. Radari, nara.
완벽해요. Quick tap, front of the mouth. That is the key for 리을 here.
Let's use these sounds in a tiny natural exchange. Listen for n즈로다, 다, 나, and 라 inside the words.
달이 보여요?
네, 저 달이 보여요.
이 달도 보여요.
맞아요. 나라가 조용해 보여요.
That sounded smooth, but I could still pick out dari dal and nara.
Now repeat after me. First 다. Soft release. Tongue forward.
Da.
Good. Now 타. Same place, more air.
Ta.
좋아요. Now 나. Same touch. No sound.
Na.
Now 라. Quick tap. Touch and leave.
Ra.
좋아요. Now the set. 타. 나. 라.
Tata. Nara.
Common mistake. English speakers often move the tongue too far back for 리을 or use the same English T for both 디귿 and 티응.
So if I say ra, with my tongue curled back, it may sound foreign or unclear.
네, for this lesson, keep real forward. Say 라 with a quick front tap, not an English R shape.
And if I say the and ta, with the same air, Koreans may not hear the contrast.
Exactly. Put your hand near your mouth. 넌 엄마? 타 has little air. 타 has more air. Keep the tongue placed the same.
Quick check. Which first syllable should have the strongest puff of air?
I'm choosing A. 다요, because tjöt has that extra air.
Answer is A. 타요. 티옥. Written 티옥. Uses the same front tongue place as 디귿, but with a stronger puff.
하나 더요. If 라 sounds like a heavy English R, what is the best fix?
A. Keep the tongue tip forward and tap lightly.
Correct. A is natural. 리을 here is a quick forward tap, not a curled back shape and not a big puff.
정리해 볼게요. First, 혀끝은 윗니 뒤에 가볍게 둬요. In English, place the tongue tip lightly just behind the upper teeth.
둘째, 디귿은 작게 놓고 티익은 바람을 더해요. In English, 디귿 is a small release and T has a clearer puff.
셋째, 니은은 같은 자리에서 코로 울려요. In English, 니은 touches the same place, but the voice resonates through the nose.
넷째, 리을은 앞으로 가볍게 톡 쳐요. In English, for 라, 다리, and 나라, use a quick forward tap, not a heavy English R.
Keep a sentence for my mouth. 혀끝은 윗니 뒤에 가볍게. Tongue tip lightly behind the upper teeth.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 혀끝은 윗니 뒤에 가볍게.
Next time, we will make the puff sounds even cleaner in real A1 words. 저는 준호였습니다.
And I'm Alice. Keep climbing the Korean ladder.